In this video, I will share with you two websites to remove background from any image quickly and easily, absolutely for free. The first popular website is Removebg. You simply have to upload the image from which you have to remove the background. Within seconds, it will remove the background. You can download a decent quality image for free. But for downloading a high resolution image, which sometimes is essential, you have to purchase a premium plan at some cost. But why to go for premium if you can get HD quality image for free using the second tool that I am about to mention? The second and one of my favorite tool is Adobe Express Background Remover. Just upload the image and it will remove the background within seconds. The good thing about Adobe Express is that you can download HD quality image. You can see that the background is precisely removed from the image, and you can download this high quality image just by signing up without paying for it. If you want, you can change the background by selecting from the library or by uploading a different image as background. So this is how you can remove the background from any image for free. If you want to know how to remove image background in PowerPoint, you can watch this video. Subscribe Explore Bio to stay informed about such useful stuffs. Comment below if you have any queries or requests. I will try to resolve them. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.